The Tripura Rubber Board has brought relief to rubber farmers by taking swift action against the fungal disease that has been causing rubber tree leaves to fall prematurely across the state. This new initiative marks the first time drones are being used to spray medicines on trees in Tripura. The board quickly issued a tender to bring a specialized drone and an operator from Tamil Nadu along with the necessary fungicide. On Thursday, the board officially launched the spraying operation at an affected rubber plantation near the Purba Champamura RPS in the Vishalgarh subdivision.
Well, that is actually ये एक फंगस डिजीज़ है। ये इसका नाम है फाइटोप्थोरा फंगस। ये जो फंगस जो है उसका नाम है फाइटोप्थोरा फंगस। ये फाइटोप्थोरा फंगस के वजह से क्या होता है, ये लीफ फॉल होता है। ज़्यादातर मैच्योर प्लांटेशन में पत्ता जो लीव्स आर फॉलिंग प्रीमेच्योरली, वो लाल हो जाता है, सूख जाता है, उसके बाद ये नीचे गिर जाता है, पूरा के पूरा पैर खाली हो जाता है, just like a nuded appearance. The trees will show a nuded appearance. So for that, actually this is called abnormal leaf fall disease. So for this disease, abnormal leaf fall disease, plants will not die, definitely. That is one thing I am assuring you. Plants will not die for this fungal disease, abnormal leaf fall disease. This fungus grows due to some favorable climate. His favorable climate is there, like continuous rainfall along with high humidity. If it prevails for long period, then this fungus grows, and for this disease occurs. After few days, when there is stability in weather, when the hot sunshine will be there and good stability will be there in the weather, then it automatically goes. Then the regeneration, leaf regeneration will be there. It will go. Thing is that now if that trees will not die, then what is the problem? Problem is that if it occurs years after years, then production will be reduced. So farmers will be affected. Their income will be reduced. They will get very little income, and sometimes maybe zero production also if precautionary measures are not taken up. You got the point, I think. And for this, actually in Tripura, this abnormal leaf fall disease, it was noticed first in July, first week in our Koroimura, that is part in Gumoti district, parts of Sipaijwala district, that is in Koroimura, it was detected, and now there it is regeneration of leaves, it is happened, so there is no problem.
Bureau Report, Chinikhorang.